Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we are going to learn fifth problem of exercise number 1.2. In my previous video, I have uploaded third and fourth problems and solutions. Just check it out, that will be helpful for you. The link is in the description box below. Now we can see the fifth question, that is, a company has four categories of employees given by assistants, clerks, managers, and an executive officers. Okay, one company has four type of employees. One is assistant, one is clerk, and another one is manager, and next is executive officer. Okay, here this capital A represents the first letter of assistant position. Okay, C represents the first letter of clerk position, and M represents the first letter of managing position, and E represents the first letter of executive officer position. And the company provide rupees 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, and 1 lakh as salaries to the people, okay, who work in the categories A, C, M, and E respectively. Okay, this company is providing rupees 10,000 for A, that is assistants, okay, and 25,000 for clerks, and 50,000 for managers, and 1 lakh for executive officers. Okay, here if A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 were assistants. Here we have 5 members in assistant position, and C1, C2, C3 were clerks. That is 3 members in clerk position, and M1, M2, M3 were managers. Three members in managing position, and E1, E2 were executive officers. 2 members in executive officer position. So if the relation R is defined by X, R, Y, where X is the salary given to the person Y. Okay, listen carefully. X is the salary given to person Y. Given to person Y. So here we have two sets. Okay, one is X and one is Y. X means salary. Y means the person. Persons, those who are working as managers, executive officers, and clerks and assistants. Express the relation R through an ordered pair and arrow diagram. So we have to represent the relation through ordered pair and arrow diagram. First we can see arrow diagram in solution. Okay, here we have two sets. As I said earlier, we have two sets, that is X, one is X and one is Y. X is the salary that is given. Okay, Y is the person that is also given. You have to read the question properly. The question seems big, but big in size, but the answer is very simple. If you understand this question, you can solve the problem easily. So in salary set, we have 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, and 1 lakh. That is given in the question. Okay. And in the persons set, we have 5 members in assistant position, and 4 members in clerk position, and 3 members in managing position, and 2 members in executive officer position. Okay. So here we have written X set and Y set, and also we had written the elements of X and elements of Y. Now we have to create the relation from X to Y. Okay, here we have the salaries. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 we are getting the salaries 10,000. Okay, here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 we are getting 10,000, and C1, C2, C3, C4 were getting 25,000 salary, and M1, M2, M3 were getting 50,000, and E1, E2 were getting 1 lakh salary. That is given in the question. Okay, you have to read the question carefully. Then only you can relate the elements of X and Y. So we can relate easily, right? 10,000 to each A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. 25,000 for C1, C2, C3, C4, and 50,000 for M1, M2, M3, 1 lakh for E1 and E2. That is the relation. This is all about arrow diagram. Okay, this is the solution as arrow diagram. Next is what has been asked, ordered pair. Ordered pair means the roster method. We have to list out the elements inside of the set bracket. That is roster method. The same way of representing the relation, that is ordered pair. Okay, in ordered pair we can use the same name like roster form or ordered pairs. Okay, here we are going to list out all the pairs in set bracket. That is nothing but roster form or ordered pairs. Okay, 1000 comma A1, 1000 comma A2, 1000 comma A3, 1000 comma 4 A4, A4, and 25,000 comma C1, 25,000 comma C2, 25,000 comma C3, 25,000 comma C4. And next 50,000 for M1, 50,000 comma M1, 50,000 comma M2, 50,000 comma M3, and 1 lakh for 1 lakh comma E1, 1 lakh comma E2. Here we had written all these pairs inside of this H bracket. Okay, this is the answer of ordered pairs. This is all about the solution of fifth problem in exercise number 1.2. We can see another examples in next video. I hope this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, give thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for listening.